Hi guys, in this video I'll be making pork steak with creamy mushroom sauce and mashed cauliflower. So my basic ingredients are cauliflower, pork steak, canned mushrooms, you can use fresh mushrooms, thickened cream, and cheese. So here I'm just unwrapping the cauliflower. And then removing the stem and some leaves on it. After cleaning it, be sure to wash it. I have already washed it. And while cutting it into pieces, I'm boiling some water. And then drop the cauliflower pieces into boiling water. You can also steam it if you wanted to. Here I'm frying the pork steak in coconut oil. You can use olive oil. And then I season it with salt and pepper and rub some all-in-one seasoning. We call it Magic Sarap. Then cook the pork steak until it's golden brown. Here I'm just putting the boiled cauliflower in a food processor in order to easily mash it. I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. In this one, I added 2 tablespoons of almond milk, but I wouldn't recommend it because it turns up to be runny, so it's up to you. Here, I'm placing it in a container because I cannot eat it all. So I can put it in the fridge and eat it for next time. Just add pepper and salt, or you can add anything you want in your mashed cauliflower. You can add your favorite ingredients to customize the taste of it. So you can add some sliced onions, oil, herbs, chives, or even diced bacon. In here, I'm cooking the canned mushroom, on the same pan where I cooked the pork steak, so the flavor goes with it. And I already seasoned it with salt and pepper. When the mushroom is already golden brown, then you can add the thickened cream. It's time to add grated cheddar cheese when the cream is reduced, and add some garlic powder. This is a simple and quick recipe to add on your keto diet or low-carb diet. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!